Hello, and welcome to the GastroPlus 9.7 tutorial, Phase 2. My name is Maxime Lamerdi, and I will be your instructor for the day. The aim of this second phase is to predict the plasma consumption time course following the oral administration of midazolam in human using a PBPK model. To achieve this goal, we will first create the new PBPK physiology. I will show you how to set up the metabolic clearance using in vitro data, especially the Vmax and Km parameters. Then I will present you the advanced compartmental and transit model, or ACAT model, that we use for all administration in GastroPlus. We will continue with a discussion about solubility and pH and how to enter this information into software. And finally, in the end, I will show you how to do a population simulation. We will use the software GastroPlus as well as the two modules, PBPK and the metabolism and transporter modules. So let's do that phase in the next videos. Thank you.